What's up traders, let's have a quick look at NZDJPY from a monthly perspective. So we're going to do a multi-time frame analysis on this pair today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this pair and enjoy the educational video that I'm about to give you guys. So let's get into it and let's have a look. So as you can see on the monthly time frame, the market has now reached a very strong area of sensitivity or a strong area of the monthly time frame mark, which is this resistance point over here. So as you can see, the market before, it had a very good support area here, support area here. It was then resistance because we had broken to the downside and it made a nice push to the downside. So what we can expect from this pair basically, guys, is on the monthly time frame we're looking to sell NZDJPY, and as the JPY pairs are getting stronger, we can expect the market now to start a move to the downside. So going down on the weekly time frame, if you go down on the weekly time frame, it's pretty clear that the market could not make a higher high than this. So the market stopped here and made a lower high, and we can expect further continuation to the downside. Now, if you go down on the daily time frame, the daily time frame is very, very important and very, very clean price action as well. If you have a look at daily price move when we reach to this resistance area that I was speaking to you about on the monthly time frame, when the market came to this area over here, it then made a push to the downside, and market reached this area again and then made a push to the downside. So what we are expecting is that this area here is a very strong resistance area, and of course banks and hedge funds and institutions are waiting in this area to take this pair to the downside. Now what we can expect from this on a daily perspective, we can expect the market now to make an M formation and then of course retest the neckline of the M formation in some good time and further continuation to the downside. So if we go down on the 4 hour time frame, it's pretty clear that the market has now created a nice double top on this area of here. As you can see, the double top of this area, we had a very nice push to the downside, but once we have a push to the downside, we need to wait for the next correction. So we have a nice impulse to the downside, but we need to wait for the correction to finish. After the correction is finished, then we will take this trade to the downside. Now let's take our Fibonacci from the high of the impulse to the low of the impulse, and you can see that the market has not yet reached any of the Fibonacci levels as yet. So what can we expect? We can expect New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen first to come up, reach at least the 382 of the Fibonacci, and then further continuation to the downside. Now, once the market will reach into this area, I will be looking for a short opportunity or a sell opportunity with students, members, and my free subscribers as well. But trading is always about being reactive. So if the market will now, from the area that it's in now, if the market will now start to push to the downside without any given target or without any correction to this area over here, then I will be looking for a sell opportunity with a break of structure. So if the market now starts to fall and break some of the structure and the rules of our strategy, then we will definitely enter into the market. Please don't forget to hit the like button, hit the follow button, and I will see you guys in the next video. And